Welcome to the world of Ruthmann Steiger. In the following presentation, you'll learn about the operating modes and possible application of the Steiger T270 and T300. See both models in different application situations and use this opportunity to take a closer look at the technical fittings of these aerial platforms. Would you like to know exactly what the advantages of Ruthmann Steiger models are compared to other aerial platforms? The formula for success is simple. Consistent use of materials with maximum quality and durability on the one hand, and the development of Steiger constructions which always guarantee easy and efficient handling in all application situations on the other hand. Despite their high performance data, the T270 and T300 remain compact and agile. They meet every conceivable requirement, even in cramped working conditions. The sensitive proportional control and a rotation range of 500 degrees allow you to access your working site precisely and swiftly without abrupt motion sequences. The working heights of the T270 and T300 are 27 meters and 30 meters respectively. On both models, variable turrets and telescoping main booms with jib, called Russell at Ruthmann, give you outstanding mobility. During jobs in moving traffic, the turret goosenecks on both Steiger models aren't an obstacle, because in erected position, the variable turrets don't project beyond the mirrors of the vehicles. Thanks to the large outreach of up to 20.4 meters, obstacles such as front yards or parked vehicles can now be easily overcome. You can control 4 movements at the same time from the working cage. Individual speed control for every single movement is possible at the same time. Once again, both the T270 and T300 models have an outreach of up to 20.4 meters. Their electronic endpoint buffers ensure that the lifting, lowering, and swiveling movements of the boom systems are automatically decelerated before the endpoints. The compact design of the working cages offer decisive advantages at hard-to-reach job sites. They owe their extremely high mobility to the variable turrets, the erecting angle of the booms, and the rotating jibs. One special highlight of both Steiger models is that even with a working height of up to 30 meters, it is possible to position the vehicle with an inclination of up to 5 degrees at sloping job sites. Despite this extremely slanted inclination, both Steiger models can be put into operation while the control technology automatically monitors and assigns the performance data. In conclusion, let's review the profile of the T270 and T300. The T270 has a total vehicle length of only 7.4 meters, while the T300 has a total length of just 7.95 meters, making the T270 and T300 extremely small for this performance class. Thanks to the short 3.6 meter wheelbase, both models have an outstanding rotation range of 14 meters, making them agile and flexible. Depending on the job site, the T270 and T300 can also be jacked on one side only. In this case, the maximum jacked width is just 3.82 meters, and if jacked within the contours of the vehicle, just 2.54 meters. The jacked widths are variable on both sides and can be individually controlled. The jibs on these Steiger models have a swiveling angle of 195 degrees and can be moved even without jacking. The unique feature of the Steiger T270 and T300 is a variable turret found on both models. In the basic position, it provides for an extremely short total length of the unit by utilizing the area over the driver's cab. The turret gooseneck is dismantled, however, while work is being performed in order to gain additional working height and to ensure that the crank doesn't project into the vehicle area when jacked within its contours. The 3-fold telescoping aerial arm of the T270 and the 4-fold telescoping aerial arm of the T300 are designed as a hexagonal carrier. They move in the direction of the load with self-centering ability, which enables exact control thanks to large plastic gliders. The sturdy swiveling device gives you a range of rotation of 2 times 250 degrees. Featuring an area of 1.85 meters by 1 meter, the aluminum working cage found on both models can be entered comfortably from the ground. The trapezium-shaped basic area enables even greater mobility in the working cage. With a carrying capacity of 320 kilograms, it's suitable for carrying large loads of up to 3 people and additional tools. The control panels in the working cages are equipped with a cover. All movements of both Steiger models, including the jacks, can be controlled from the working cage. The clear text display of the information and diagnostic system in the cage, available in a variety of languages, shows all current control data of the Steiger. In case of an emergency, the electric and hydraulic circuit can be automatically interrupted from the cage by pressing the emergency stop button. The working cages on both models contain a 230-volt power outlet, which is supplied by a power source fed into the chassis of the Steiger. This eliminates the hazard posed by an outside power cable extension. 2 loops mounted in the cage enable working operators to protect themselves with safety belts. As a standard feature, the hydraulic jib locking mechanism ensures that the basic and traveling position of the working cage is secured for transport. The T270 and T300 come equipped with a hydraulic cage rotating device. This enables an extraordinarily high swiveling angle of 180 degrees. This function, together with a cage exchanging device, which makes it possible to use either the plastic working cage, the tree trimming cage, or the standard aluminum cage, allow both Steiger models to be used for an incredibly wide range of applications. The cage ladder has a safety device. Use of the cage control is possible only when the cage ladder is folded. 4 plastic plates can be used as additional stabilizing supports for the jacks. Optionally available and required for certain applications, the removable cage divider for tree trimming applications. This way the operator of the working cage is physically separated from the operator of the power saw. In addition to the control panel in the working cage, the chassis is equipped with an easy-to-use second control panel with a clear text display for all movements of these 2 Steiger models, including the jacks. The clear text display of the information and diagnostic system facilitates the handling of the secondary control. As on the cage, you'll find an emergency stop button here to disconnect the electric and hydraulic circuit in case of an emergency. Ruthmann Steiger aerial platforms offer you safety, flexibility, and reliability for years to come. To make an appointment for a personal demonstration, feel free to contact us anytime. We're very proud of our products and we look forward to hearing from you. Your Ruthmann team.